Okay, so good afternoon from Ghana, and we are at Bono East region, and today we've come to visit Kintampo Waterfalls with me and my great colleagues here, and we call ourselves Cocoa Experts. We are going to explore more about cocoa, and we are going to bring the presentation to you people. To my far right is Mr. Daniel Tete, one of our field coordinators here in Ghana. And then I have our senior field coordinator, Thomas Kobina, and our researcher in this area amongst other crops. To my immediate left is Mr. Joseph Apia. Okay, that's one. He's also our field coordinator here in Ghana. And then next to him is Gazari Halidu, our experienced field coordinator here in Ghana, starting with Pula right from 2021. And extreme left is Mr. Joseph Isaac, sorry. Camponsa, Isaac Camponsa, Amponza, sorry. Okay, from today you'll be Camponsa.
It's very expensive.
It's very expensive. Okay, so he is Isaac Amponsa, and Isaac is our new field coordinator, just having grown from a field agent in the recent past. So, once again, welcome to this place. We are going to tell you more about what we are going to see today. And that being said then, let's go.
Have a seat.